Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the lessons. We're going to start with the chapter edition. The lessons we're going to cover today are add two numbers up to three digits, addition input output tables up to three digits, complete the addition sentence up to three digits, balance addition equations up to three digits. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 3 math. Chapter we are on right now is addition. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is add two numbers up to three digits. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the first question, that is 699 plus 231. Let's just see how do we add them. So let's just adding start adding from the ones digit, right? Let's just add the one first. So they are 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. You need to write down the ones digit over here and you have to carry the 10 digit to the next digit. Now you have 9, 1 and 3. So just add them. 9 and 1 makes, add the tens now. 9 1 makes 10 and 3 add carry also. So write 3 over here and carry 1. Now add the hundreds and the carry also. So that is 6 and 2, 8 and 1, 9. So when you add them, they makes 930. Let's just start with the test questions. 632 plus 235. Start adding from the ones digit, right? So you have to add 5 and 2. 7. So 5 plus 2 makes 7. So here you have 7. Then you have to add the tens now. That is 3 plus 3 makes 3 plus 3 makes 6. And then you have to add the 100. So 6 plus 2 makes 8. That is 867. So the correct option is option B. Is the correct option, not one. That is 867. Very good. Okay, the next one is 151 plus 756. So again, start adding from the ones digit. 6 and 1 are at the 1, so 6 plus 1 is 7. Then you have to add the tens digit. 5 plus 5 makes 10, right? Ones digit over here and carry tens. So 7, 8, and 9, that is 907. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 736 plus 212, which is the correct option. So start adding from the ones digit. 6 and 2 makes 8. Yes, very good. That is option number 3. 948 is the correct option. The next one is 649 plus 267. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. 916. The next one is 197 plus 658. So which is the correct option? That is 855. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. The next one is 699 plus 231. So which is the correct option? That is 930. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is input output tables up to 3 digits. So start with the first example, that is you have to add, and the rule is you need to add 100. So basically you are given the table that has an input and output column. So you have to add 100 to each input value to calculate the corresponding output value. For example, here the first one is 317. So you need to add 100 to 317. So when you add 100 to 317, that is 417. So for this column, the output is 417. Same thing you have to do with the next value, that is 335 plus 100, that makes 435. So option number 2 is the correct option, that is 435. Then you have 818, and 818 plus 100 makes 918. And the last one, 835 plus 100 makes 935. So basically what you have to do, you have to use the rule. How you have to use, you have to add each input value. So you have to add the rule to each input value to calculate the corresponding output value. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, complete the table. You have to add 100 to each input value, right? So let's just start with the first value, that is 196. So 196 plus 100 makes 296, right? That is 296. Now add 100 to the second value, that is 235 plus 100. So that makes 335. Option number 2 is the correct option. Then you have 574 plus 100. So that makes 674. So the values are 295, 335, 674, and 300. So option number 2 is the correct option. 294, 335, and 674. Option number 2 is the correct option. Complete the table. So which is the correct option? The correct option is complete a table. You have to add 100. The rule is 100, right? So when you add, that is 686, 600, no, 160, and 618. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 686, 160, and 618. Very good. So option number 1 is the correct option. Complete the table. You have to add 100. Option number 994, 131, and 850. Again, option number 2 is the correct option. That is 994, 131, 850. Complete the table. You have to add 100. So, which is the correct option? That is 672, 351, and 697. Very good. That's option number one. Complete the table. Add 100. So, which is the correct option? Option number one is the correct option. That is 596, 177, and 398. Complete the table. The rule is you have to add 100. Option number two is the correct option. Very good. 312, 426, and 247. Complete the table. Add 100. Very good. That is option number two. 322, 913, and 748. Option number two is the correct option. Complete the table. Add 100. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 617, 322, and 652. Very good. That's option number one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add two numbers up to three digits word problems. Word problems you have to do on your own. The next lesson is complete the addition sentence up to three digits. Fill in the missing number 719 plus the missing number, and you are given the sum that is 995. You are given one of the number, the missing number, and sum. So, how do we find the missing number? When you are given the sum, when you are given the sum and one of the number, how do we find the second number? We have to subtract the given number out of the sum, right? 995 is the sum of 799 and the missing number. So you have to subtract 719 out of the sum. You have to do 995 minus the given number, that is 719. So 995 minus 719, you need to borrow 115 minus 9 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 9 minus 7 is 2, that is 276. Let's just start with the test questions. So you are given a missing number plus 110 and that equals 981. So you have to subtract the given number out of the sum to find the missing number. Here is the sum given and you have to subtract the given number, that is 110. 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 9 minus 1 is 8. That is 800 and that is 871. The correct option is 871. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So again, you are given one of the number and the sum. You need to find the other one. So you have to subtract the given number out of the sum to find the missing value. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 8 minus 1 is 7. That is 757. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. Eight 278 plus missing number equals 804. You have to do 804 minus 278. So you need to borrow one here. You have 0. So you can borrow one from here. Makes 10 here. Now you can borrow one from here. So 14 take away 8 is 6. 9 take away 7 is 2. And 7 take away 2 is 5. So that is 526. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Fill in the missing number. 121 plus the missing number equals 545. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 424. That is option number 2. Fill in the missing number. 192 plus the missing number equals 362. So which is the correct option? That is 171. Option number 1 is the correct option. And yes, Happy New Year to you too. Fill in the missing number. 158 plus the missing number equals 995. So which is the correct option? That's option number 2. Very good. 837 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is balance addition equations up to 3 digits. Which number makes the equation 2? So balancing equation means when you add both sides of the equation, their sum is exactly same. That means they are the balanced equations. So you need to add the one at the side where you are given both the numbers. So just add 172 and plus 259. That is 431. Now they are the same. You are given one of the number, the missing number and the sum. You need to find the first number. How do you find? You can subtract the given number out of the other side. So you have to do 431 minus 242. So that is 189. So basically 189 is the number that when added to 242 keeps the equation balanced. Balance equation means both sides of the sum is then same. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, write down which number makes the equation true. So you have to add the side where you are given both the numbers. Just add 5 plus 3 makes 8. 9 plus 6 makes 15. 5, 1, carry 5 and 7, 858 it is. Now 190 plus the missing number equals 858. So you need to find the missing number. So how do you find? You have to find subtract 190 out of the sum. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. So that is 668. That means 668 is the number that keeps the equation balanced. That is option number one. 668 is the correct option. Which number makes the equation true? So add these two numbers 865 plus 130 that is 59995. So you need to find the missing number on this side. So you have to subtract 419 out of 995. So when you subtract 15 take away 9 is 6, 8 take away 1 is 7, 9 take away 4 is 5. That is 507. Very good. That is option number 3. 576 is the correct option. Which number makes the equation true? That is 565 plus the missing number equals 218 plus 636. So add these numbers. They makes the sum that is 854. Now subtract 565 other side. So that is 14 minus 5 is 9. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 7 minus 6 is 2. That is option number 1. 289 it is. The correct option is 289. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find which number makes the equation true, which is the correct option. 783 is the correct option. 148 plus 795 equals 529 plus the missing number. So, which is the correct option? Eight and 5 makes 13, 3, 1 carry. 9 and 4, 13 and 1, 14, 7, 8 and 9. So now you have to find the missing number. So subtract 529 out of the sum. So that is 13 minus 9 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 4, that is 414. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2, that is 414. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we were working on is addition. The lessons we have covered today are add two numbers up to 3 digits, addition input output table up to 3 digits, add two numbers up to 3 digit word problems you have to do your own, complete the addition sentence up to 3 digits, balance addition equations up to 3 digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That's your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.